Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at a program called Betternet. This is a free VPN service that allows us to protect our security and privacy when browsing on the internet. To start off with, all you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you are on this page, you need to click on Get Betternet and you need to go Save File. Once the file has finished downloading, we can now run the setup file. You now need to go I accept and install. You now need to press install. And we can go ahead and press finish. Once Betternet has opened, this is what you will end up with. As you can see, at the minute it's grey as we are not connected to any virtual servers. If you do have the premium version, you can actually select a virtual location, but unfortunately where I'm using the free version, it will not let you do this. I'm going to go back now and just press connect and see which server it connects us to. As you can see, we are now connected because it's blue, which is a good thing. Let's just click on the three lines here and see what else we can do on the program. Here you have a contact us, which is to obviously contact them if you have any problems. We have the FAQ, privacy policy, and why Betternet is free. There is a little option at the bottom here that says reconnect automatically, which you can just select if you want to. Let's go ahead now and check out what our IP is and see where our location is. Okay, I've just loaded up what is my IP. And straight away, as you can see, there is a nice different IP address there. That's not my original IP, which is great. That's fantastic. And also my location is saying I'm in Atlanta in the US, which is great because I can guarantee you I am not in the US right now. Which means that the program is doing what it should be. And it really is as easy as that to protect your privacy and location. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.